2021 Hyundai Elantra Serpentine belt on the 2-liter engine. I'm Steve, this is the YouTube channel Workbench-Z. Here we go. I'm going to try really hard not to make you nauseous and seasick. But I want to show you the important bit. Right there. That 12-point stud on the tensioner is where you put a wrench to pry back the tensioner and take the tension off the belt. 17mm 12-point, and we'll just put all of our weight onto it that we can. And I want to slip the belt sideways off of this idler pulley. And then just start following it around. And the old one's out. Before going any farther, the new one's wrong. That is too long.
Sometime later.
Hour and a half later, I got the right one. It's the right size. Stay tuned for the end and I'll give you the details. I wish I could give you a better view of routing this belt. Here's the key part, getting it over the alternator and then underneath this idler pulley. Almost. There we go. So a few key points from this one. The first one, 12-point, 17mm. I'm fortunate I've got one of these wrenches that does the 12-point. There's not enough room in there for a socket though. Second point is, remember how the belt went through. Make good notes so when you try and put the new one in, you get it right. A hint that will help you as you're putting the new one in is there's a rib side and a smooth side. The belt will go around ribbed pulleys with the rib side down. Smooth pulleys, the belt bends backwards with the smooth side of the belt against the smooth pulleys. You'll figure it out. Trash. Okay, I promised you details, and I'll give you a heads up now. You may want to pause the video and take some screenshots. This one, the computer listed as fitting a 2021 Hyundai Elantra 2-liter engine, and it doesn't fit. This one does fit, and it's cheaper. I'm Steve from the YouTube channel Workbench-Z. Go have fun with your tools. Paint sensor. Polymerizing